My kids rank this Korean Bulgogi marinated beef barbecue in their top 10 favorite food. My youngest daughter told me,
Quand je serai grande, maman, j'inviterai des amis et je leur ferai ce plat en regardant ta vidéo.
here are the ingredients for 6 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. The day before, marinate the beef. To easily make thin slices, cut it while it is still a bit frozen. Put them in a mixing bowl. Mince a white portion of leek. Put it in another bowl. Grate a piece of ginger. Take 1 teaspoon. Put it with the leek. Chop 6 cloves of garlic. Also put them in a bowl. Peel half of nashi pear. It has a very mild taste and is rich in enzymes. In the marinade, it will make the meat tender. Grate it. Then add half teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, 6 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix. Put this preparation into the beef bowl. Mix well so that the slices absorb all the marinade. Cover and leave overnight in the fridge. The next day, prepare some salad leaves. Cut 3 small onions into chunks. Mince 3 spring onions. Prepare the Ssamjang sauce. In a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of miso paste, 1 tablespoon of Korean gochujang chili paste, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, and the spring onion. Keep a little for the decoration of the dish. Combine. Take the marinated beef out of the fridge. Spread the slices on 2 large plates. Sprinkle with sesame seeds, and the spring onion. Everything is ready. We can set the table. Heat the plancha. Put some sesame oil. We enjoy this barbecue beef with a bowl of chopped grain rice. When the plancha is hot, place the onion and the beef pieces on it. Take the time to fully savor this bulgogi barbecue. Bon appétit! I show you how Korean people like to eat this beef barbecue. Take a salad leaf, put a piece of bulgogi, onion, and Ssamjang sauce. Wrap it up and eat it in one bite. This way of tasting is called sam. When the plancha is hot, the pieces of beef caramelize slightly and the onions become tender. The Ssamjang sauce brings chili, salt, and umami. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.